Hello everyone, Andy here from Mr. Yoo-Hoo and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm super excited to introduce to you the JBL Wavebeam earbuds, which you can see here. These compact and powerful wireless earbuds promise to elevate your listening experience, and I'm very excited to review them to let you guys know whether you should buy them. In this video, we're going to explore everything these earbuds have to offer. We'll start with an unboxing to see what's included in the package. Then we'll take a closer look at their key features, including the JBL Pure Bass Sound, intuitive touch controls, impressive battery life, and the highly customizable JBL app. I'll also be putting the JBL Wavebeam earbuds in various real-world scenarios, like the gym and commuting, to show you just how versatile they are. And unlike other reviewers, we don't just sit at home talking about them, we actually use them out and about so you guys can see what they're like in real-world scenarios. Finally, we'll give you guys an opinion as to whether we think they are a worthy investment to go with your music collection. So let's get started and see if these wireless earbuds live up to the hype. And as always, if you wish to purchase these, there's links below. Any purchase you make through the links continue to support our channel so we can make this content. So guys, to start off, let's look at what's inside the box. The JBL Wavebeam earbuds come with a compact charging case, a USB-C charging cable, and different size of earbud tips in comfort and sound quality. And the reason being is, as you can see, there's the tips there. Different tips fit into your eardrums differently. So if you've got a smaller eardrum, a bigger one won't fit. So you've got to do it accordingly. Now the design of these is sleek and modern, as you can see. They're lightweight and comfortable to wear all day. Whether you're at the gym, like Mr. Yoo-Hoo likes, commuting, or just lounging at home. The earbuds are also IP54 rated, meaning they are protected against dust and water splashes, making them perfect for workouts and outdoor activities. The build quality too is quite impressive. It's got a solid plastic material that feels durable yet comfortable. And look how small that case is as well. Pop that case into my jeans, back pocket, and you can continue using it as well. It's great. Another standout feature of the JBL Wavebeam earbuds is the JBL Pure Bass Sound. So these earbuds deliver a punchy and immersive audio experience. It really brings my music to life. So guys, I love listening to London house, rock, dance, and I was blown away by the fantastic sound quality and how well they handled each genre. Now, big people ask me always, what's bass like with earbuds? Well, the bass for these is rich and deep, without being overpowering, which sometimes happens. The mids and highs are great, and it's a very, very balanced and enjoyable listening experience. And once again, you can customize the equalizer through the JBL app, so you can have different types of music depending on what you listen to. Another highlight is the active noise cancellation feature. So the Wavebeam earbuds effectively reduce background noise. What this allows you to do is immerse yourself in your music or calls, even in noisy environments. So if you're in busy environments or a crowded gym, you can activate it there. So I'm going to put these in my earbuds to show you. So you go in there and say you want to have the full noise cancelling, press a button. Say you want to have transparency mode where you can hear people around you, double press a button and you can do it. It allows you to customize where you listen to it depending on where you want to be, which is great. Now what about battery life? Well, JBL Wavebeam earbuds offers pretty standard battery life at around 8 hours. It's not as much as some of the other earbuds you can get, but the case itself gives you 24 hours of battery life. So if you're not using them, pop them into the case like so, and it charges them as well. And also JBL has fast charging as well. What that means is, say you like me forget to charge them, pop them for 10 minutes and you get 1 hour of playtime as well. So, which is good. Very often I look at my earbuds and I'm like, damn it, I should charge them. So to do it, again with all JBL products as well, connecting is quite easy. It does Bluetooth 5.2, take them out, put them in, connect them straight away. Doesn't take much time at all as well. So it's very, very good to connect. And yeah, works very, very well. You can also use the JBL headphone app again to customize it. So you can customize preferences, EQ settings, touch controls, how you want it. It offers a complete range. And again, JBL app, I find works very, very well. The good thing with these as well is they're very good with calls. Quite good, I say very good. You put them in your earbuds and you can use them to speak to people. I use them in different calls. It was quite effective. Well, couldn't hear much outside noise as well. But it worked very, very well when I was using it. So very, very good. Yeah, so as you can see, comfortable fit, great battery life, great sound. Just for JBL, I mean, it's a standard thing with JBL. They always provide good quality sound, good quality music as you go. And yeah, I'd say if you want good quality headphones, this is the way to go. Now, these are part of the JBL Choose Your Wireless Earbud video we did previously, as you can see here. So they're part of the Wave range as well. So the Wave range is basically JBL's entry level one into the marketplace. So you're getting these at a really good price as well. So guys, I really recommend them. Check out the other JBL headphone video reviews we've done as well. As you can see, they're there. But yeah, perfect earbuds when you're using it about, using it at the gym, wherever you want to go. So make sure you let me know what you think of the JBL Wave Beam. Check links below and also subscribe, like the video, and click on the notification button. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.